Number 1. Company background. Gilus Fruit Stand is a small business that sells various fresh fruits. The business first started on March 25, 2006, located on Bagumbayan, Sultan Kudarat. Gilus Fruit Stand sells fresh fruits coming from various places. Near Bagumbayan, from the farm to his fruit stand, the business is dedicated on delivering fresh fruits from farm to his shop. The business is open from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and managed by the owner and his employees. Number 2 is statement of problems. Challenge the business is currently facing. Long queues and slow checkout processes lead to customer frustration, reduced satisfaction, and lost sales opportunities. Manual financial tracking and reporting result in errors. Delay in sight and difficulty managing cash flows effectively. Lack of real-time sales and inventory data. Causes stockout, overstocking, and delay in decision making. Fragmented system for sales, inventory, and financial management. Create inefficiencies leading to errors in data and difficulty in generating comprehensive report. Number 3, system capabilities. The proposed point of sale system will provide the following capabilities. Number 1, streamline checkout process, speed up transaction with faster processing, reduce customer wait time, and improving overall satisfaction. McKinsey and Company 2020. Number 2, real-time financial tracking. Automatically track sales, payment, and cash flows, providing accurate and up-to-date financial data for better decision making. Forbes 2021. Number 3, integrated sales and inventory management. Seeing sales and inventory data in real time helping prevent stockouts, overstocking, and enabling accurate inventory forecasting. Resha Dai, 2019. Number 4, automated reporting. Generate comprehensive reports on sales, performance, and inventory with just few clicks, allowing for quick insight and efficient business management. Gartner 2020.
Number 4, business system objectives. The system is designed to: Number 1, streamline checkout and transactions. Speed up transactions, enhance customer flow, and boost sales. Number 2, enhance data accuracy and integration, provide real-time integration of sales inventory and final data, reducing manual errors. Number 3, automate reporting, generate timely and accurate sales, inventory, and final reports for better decision making. Number 4, ensure scalability in ease of use, offer as user-friendly, flexible POS system that supports business growth in multiple locations. Number 5, features and functionalities. The POS system includes the following. Number 1, user management, role-based access control for secure customized system access. Number 2, inventory tracking, real-time update of stock levels with low inventory alerts. Number 3, sales management, integrated invoicing and transaction of tracking of seamless sales and payments. Number 4, reporting, automate performance report for sales, inventory, and finances. Number 5, integration compatibility with payment gateways and ERP tools for smooth operations. Number 6, design concept. offer interface UI and user experience UX. The design will feature number 1, navigation menu, a simple menu for quick access to dashboards, inventory, sales, and reports. Number 2, data entry forms and visualization, and intuitive forms and clear visual charts for easy performance tracking. Number 3, mobile-friendly interfaces, a response design for seamless access of smartphones and tablets.
Are the prototypes and wireframes. Prototype description for the web system. Login page, clean minimalistic login screen with fields for username and password. So, number 2, dashboard, admin panel. Overview of key metrics like total sales, stock products, and inventory status. Includes graph and charts for performance tracking. Sidebar for quick access to inventory, sales, and reports. So this is the Gilda's Fruit Stand point of sale and inventory management system. We're going to log in, username and password, then log in. Then Gilda's Fruit Stand point of sale and inventory management system is a dashboard, user, point of sale, inventory, sales report, logs, and logout. So the total of the products are here in dashboard.
Assumption made during the preparation of the proposal. Number 1, timely access to data and user feedback. All necessary data such as current inventory levels, sales records, and user feedback will be provided promptly during development to ensure the system meets the company requirements. Number 2, primarily for internal use with future expansion. The system will initially serve internal users, staff, and management, with the potential for future expansion to include external users or customers, depending on business needs. Availability of necessary infrastructure, sufficient resources, including hardware, software, and hosting infrastructure, will be available to support the POS system deploy and ongoing operation. Basic training for end users will require basic training to ensure they can operate the system effectively with training materials and support provided as part of the implementation. References: McKinsey and Company 2020, The Future of Retail Insights for a Post-Pandemic World, McKinsey and Company. Forbes 2021, How Real-Time Financial Tracking Improves Business Performance. Retail Guide 2019, The Importance of POS Integrated Inventory Management for Retailers. Gartner 2020, Automated Reporting in Retail, Enhancing Decision-Making Capabilities. Tech Republic 2019, Why Role-Based Access is Initial in Retail POS Systems. Harvard Business Review 2021, The Rise of Cloud-Based POS System and their Impact on Business Flexibility.